Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling dock magnification on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When dock magnification is turned on, when you hover your cursor over the dock, it magnifies the icon you are on. Here is how to turn that on or off. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Dock and Menu Bar. Here in Dock Settings, there is a checkbox called Magnification. Enable it or disable it here. When it's enabled, you can also drag the slider to choose the level of magnification. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.